In this video, I want to show you guys how to do a few of the things from section 7.1 to 7.3 in the calculator in real time on my screen here. So let's look at a few of the examples that we already did in the other video. So example 3, this was a Z interval question. So you would go to Stat, go over to Tests, and then we want Z interval. So you can just click the number 7 or go down and get it. Okay, and then we want stats, okay, since we don't have a list of the raw data. So I'm gonna go over to stats and then click enter, and it's gonna generate the new list of inputs that it needs. Okay, so sigma is 29.6, X bar is 362, N is 40, and the confidence level is 0.99. And then you just go to calculate. And you can see up here in the parentheses, that is your confidence interval, okay? And then you're just gonna round it to, whatever Connect Math tells you to round to, basically. So for this one, we ended up doing 350 is what we did for the lower bound, and then we rounded this one to 374. So they were both whole numbers. Okay, so let's see. Example 4, I'm gonna skip that one because I don't wanna put all of those numbers into a list. So I think I pulled another one here. Yeah, let's do example 2 from section 7.3. So this will be a T interval one, and it'll be the data type of problem. Okay, so whenever you have a list of the data, that's where you're gonna start. So you need to put that into a list in your calculator. So you'll go to Stat, Enter, and then I'm gonna clear out my previous L1, and then I'm just gonna type those numbers. So okay, I think I typed them all right. I'm just gonna double check. Yes, those all look good to me. Okay, so then once you have your numbers in L1, you'll go to Stat and then go over to Tests, and then we want T interval. So you can just click the number 8 or go down, get T interval. And then now we want data. So I'm gonna go to Data, click Enter. And then it should already have like an L1 as the list it's being told to use. Frequency, just keep it as 1, you'll never change that. And then the confidence level, what is it here? 0.99, okay, perfect, I already have that there. So we'll just go to calculate. And yeah, so the numbers up there in the parentheses, that's your lower bound and your upper bound on your confidence interval. So 4785 and 9297.9.